I feel like it took 2 years off of me, so.
And I know it's the right time. Can't envision nothing else. I need you right now. Need you when I feel down.
Hello everyone, happy Saturday. So I'm really sorry that we did not have a PR unboxing last week. If you guys have been following me on Instagram or if you saw my Sephora video, you know that the stomach virus hit this house and it was a disaster. It was horrible. So wasn't able to get one up last week, but we are getting one up this week, and I will also be doing another giveaway. So you guys know how those ones usually work. You just click the link down below in the description box, and when you enter, you give me your email address already. So it's super easy for me to contact you. I keep saying this in a lot of the videos. So there's like a lot of spammers here on YouTube that will literally pretend that they're me. I don't contact you in the comments. I contact you to your email address because that's how you enter the giveaway. So you will get an email from me, not a comment. So I just wanted to reiterate that again. But good luck to everyone. And let's go ahead and see what is new here. So I just picked up these boxes from the P.O. box. So everything should be relatively pretty new. So let's get into it. Also, you guys, I added a wing today. I've been doing a wing when I've been like going out at night, like for dinner or something like that, but I haven't done it for like videos in a while. And I'm like, oh my God, I forgot how much I really love doing eyeliner. I feel so much more put together. I forgot how much I love doing eyeliner. It just really, I don't know, it just kind of like pulls up your eyes and like, it makes, I feel like it took 2 years off of me. So I really like it. I need to start doing it more often. It just takes me forever to do it. But the first package that we have here is from Glow Recipe, and it says, "What's poppin'?" I'm so excited to officially unveil my kit with Glow Recipe. These are my favorite products for glowy popping skin. So this is from Nikayla, I believe. I can't, from her signature, I can't make it out from the from the thing, but it's with Michaela. It's a collaboration. Basically, she's showing you guys like what her favorite products are. I love it that they added in these little clips. These clips are the best to get ready to and do your hair with. So this set right here retails for $48 and it has a $67 value. And it comes with 3 products. You will get a plump hyaluronic cream, which is a moisturizer. You will also get the avocado ceramide recovery serum right there. And then you will also get the watermelon glow niacinamide dew drops for some glowy skin. So that's actually a really good set right there. So again, the whole set, $48. I will link it down below. Next up from Caudalie, they sent over their mister. So this is their beauty elixir. It's a smoothing, glowing complexion. It's for all skin types. This stuff is amazing. It also smells really good. But basically what this is going to do, it's going to prep skin, tighten pores, tone before your routine. So you can spray it on before you do your makeup. It also will set makeup for a flawless finish. You can use it before and after, and you can use it to refresh you throughout the day as well. And it literally does, it says transports the spa with one spritz because it smells like a spa in the bottle. It smells absolutely amazing. Prevent maskne on the go. Apply as aftershave for a fresh finish. Enhance radiance and glow all day long. So they sent over both sizes. So this is a great little size to add in your purse for like on the go to refresh. And then this one for at home to do before and after your makeup. So I'm actually going to put some on my skin right now. I'm gonna get with it has the best sprayer. Did you see that? It's such a fine mist. It's not one of those ones that goes like, you know, like right into your face. I'm like, oh God, I just shot myself. No, it's very refreshing. Oh my God, it smells so good. So this one is definitely going into my bag to refresh my makeup when I'm out and about. All right, so next up, we've got some products from Maybelline, and it says, meet your new lippy essentials. Treat yourself to the new Lifter Gloss Bronze Shades and Super Stay Matte Ink Birthday Edition. So these are the glosses. For a second, I thought these were almost like the eyeshadow things, but nope, these are glosses. Let me show you guys the colors. Really pretty, and I actually want to try one. So we're gonna try this lighter color one. This one is called 020 Sun, and it looks like that. Ooh, they smell really good. They smell like sunscreen. You know how that like smell like that coconut? That's what it smells like. It just smells like you're on a holiday. You are on a vacation somewhere tropical. That's what I could really use right now, especially with this shirt. I'm like, bring me on vacation. I need a trip to Hawaii, big time, obviously. But these are pretty, really gorgeous. Smooth, not tacky, and they leave a gorgeous finish. So I really like those. Those are nice. And then we also have this collection too here of their liquid lipsticks. So they even have a blue one. Let's try out, you know what, let's go with this pink one because we're in spring. And I know I'm gonna love this. So this is $3.95 Birthday Bestie. And oh yeah, that's a fun pop of color right there. That's really pretty. I love doing something like that with just like a neutral look. Like, oh, you could do like a neutral look, do a wing, and just use this as your pop of color, and it kind of will just throw everything together. So those are pretty, and these are a nice kind of like moussey texture too. So thank you, Maybelline, for sending these over. Okay, so next up we have some new lip glosses from Laura Mercier right here, and I actually ordered one of these, but I ordered a different one that I don't have here. I ordered a macaron from the Sephora sale because I love their lip glosses. Like, I went through 2 of them, and they're just amazing, awesome formula. So I ordered one. So they came out with some other shades here. So we have Rosé, Vanilla, Creme Caramel, Baby Doll, and Rose Syrup. And they are just so beautiful. Oh, I wish I would have like put one of these on too. I'm gonna go into Rosé just because I love a lighter gloss, just because you can top it onto anything. This is just gonna be clear, but what they do is they just feel really good on the lips. They're not tacky, and they leave a beautiful shine. So there is the clear one right there, and also has a neat little wand to it that's gonna curve to your lips. Let's go ahead and swatch a little bit more of a brighter shade. I love a coral. This is Baby Doll. Oh, Baby Doll's pretty. This is the one I'm gonna love it. Just put in my purse just to bring some color to the lips. So there is Baby Doll right there. So these are awesome. I love the formula. I'm excited for these. Thank you so much, Laura Mercier, for sending these over. All right, so we have a new product from Goop Glow here. This one is exciting. Okay, because I love their exfoliator. It's so good. So this is the Flower Acids Resurface. I can't talk right now. Flower Acids Resurfacing Toner. I'm so excited to try this out. Oh my goodness. So shake before use in the morning and the evening on clean, dry skin, saturated cotton pad, all over. We know how to use a toner. So it says, when it comes to skincare, some of us are gentle flowers. Whichever category you fall into, you are going to love the new Goop Glow Flower Acids Resurfacing Toner, a 2-in-1 daily treatment toner that gently resurfaces, brightens, hydrates, and leaves the skin glowing in just one step. So, sounds amazing. I'm actually gonna take it out. What I do when I really want to try a product out like right away, so I don't forget, I just take it right out of the packaging, and I'll just set it over here so I can move this in there. It's a nice glass packaging too. So I am stoked for that. Thank you, Goop Beauty, for sending that over. Okay, so we've got a package from Skinceuticals, and this stuff is amazing. So this is the CE Ferulic Serum. It's to die for. Let's open this up. Vitamin C Day, which was April 4th, which is yesterday actually. And we got a cute little mirror in here, and then we've got the products. So they sent over a headband, really nice. I love those things to pull back the hair. So they sent over the Skinceuticals. This is the salicylic acid acne treatment, high potency. So right there to battle like any texture, any clogged pores. Then we've got the Floritin CF, which is an antioxidant treatment. And then we have the CE Ferulic. So I want to read a little bit info about them so you guys know what each one does. So they are advanced environmental protection. So basically this guy right here, the Floritin CF, is going to help discoloration and brighten up the skin. The Silymarin CF is going to help with blemishes and oiliness. And then the CE Ferulic acid is going to really help with the wrinkles and really firm up the skin. So Skinceuticals vitamin C serums are extensively tested and clinically proven to help prevent future skin damage and improve visible skin concerns. So this is awesome. So if you guys like want to know, I'll link them all separately down below, and I'll put it in parentheses. I'll save this for my notes, and I'll put it in parentheses right next to them, like what they're supposed to do, so you guys can get one that would like target your problem areas. I know for me, it is definitely, I would love to brighten up my skin, and I would love to help with any like wrinkles and stuff like that, because I get the wrinkles right here really bad. So that's what I would like to do. So thank you, Skinceuticals, for sending this over. For the last package for this week, I'm gonna show the Sigma one that I got here. This thing is huge, and it's called the New Mod Collection. Still working on speaking right now. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Absolutely gorgeous. We got some glosses, or gloss, and then we've got a new palette. Oh my God, the palette. The bag, oh my God. Oh my God, these brushes. Have to show you guys this collection. Alrighty, so first off, the brushes are absolutely beautiful. They are like dipped into gold glitter on the handles. Let me show you this. Look at how beautiful those handles are. It's a beautiful metallic blush pink, and then it's like dipped in the gold glitter. That is so stunning. So you have a foundation brush. This one would be like a bronzer brush right here, or blush. And then we've got some eye brushes. So we've got a great brow one or liner one, and then we have some blending ones and like crease and stuff. So those are awesome. Beautiful. And then the bag right here is like velvet. Oh my God, this bag is so luxurious. So luxurious. I'm gonna stick these in there. Anyways, okay, so the brush set retails for $94, and you get the beauty bag with it. So you get all of this for $94. And then the lipstick right here is $20. And this color is also super gorgeous. Beautiful rose shade, mauve rose shade. And then you get the lip gloss too for $20, which is like a metallic, like glitter. You can get the palette for $49. And this palette also has that like velvet packaging. And you can get like everything together for a total of $146, which is a $207 value. So you'd be saving. And then even like, there goes my phone. You get a dual-ended brush in the palette, which is a nice like all over shadow brush, and then a good crease brush right here. And then these are the shades. Aren't those beautiful? Oh, I would use this palette. I love Sophisticated. It's a great, just like easy transition shade right here for the crease. I love the fact that they put in a cream shade to set the lids with, because that's what I always go to. And then they have some beautiful shimmer shades. Like we've got a beautiful champagne shimmer right there. Oh my God, this is a beautiful palette. Like I'm actually like super stoked. I was like going through my palettes and I was like, God, nothing is like grabbing me right now. I was just like, I wanted to try more colors, and I was going through them and I'm like, everything's like a dud. Like I don't have anything that I really want in this palette. Or I'm not even finding like all the shades that I like in one palette. And in here, I can create a look with that I would love for like a neutral look. Like what I would do is I would like kind of go to these two shades right here for just like kind of something like this to keep it very simple. Or I would add in that to my lid, or I would add that on my lid. I would deepen up the crease if I was going out with this color. Like I would play with it. So there's like everything in here in one palette that I could just grab and like be like, yes. So I love that. Makes me super excited for it. Thank you, Sigma. I think I have a code for Sigma, thinking it's Madison. I will link it down below if I do, but I think it will save you guys like 10% off. But anyways, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I love this collection. All right, so that is everything new this week. We've got some really good collections. It has me super excited for you guys. Don't forget to enter down below for the mystery box giveaway and give the video a thumbs up. Comment what you're excited about, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.